How to reverse a payment on your FNB app step by step. If you sent money to the wrong person or made a payment by mistake, don't worry, you can fix it easily. Step 1. Open the FNB app. First, open your FNB app on your phone and log in securely using your password or biometrics. Step 2. Go to Payments. Next, tap on Payments from the home screen. You'll see your recent transactions and payment history. Step 3. Select the payment to reverse. Find the payment you want to reverse. Tap on it to open the Details page. Step 4. Tap Reverse or Stop Payment. If the payment is still pending or unprocessed, you'll see an option called Reverse or Stop Payment. Tap on it and confirm your choice. Note, if the payment is already cleared, you'll need to contact FNB support for help. Step 5. Confirm the reversal request. Read the terms carefully. Then tap Confirm to submit your reversal request. You'll get a notification or email once it's processed. Step 6. Contact support if needed. If the reversal option isn't showing, open Messages or Help in the app and chat with an FNB agent. They'll guide you through the manual process. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful banking tutorials.